everyone, my name is Anurima Jain and I'm a baker and a chef in making. Today I'm going to make coffee cream cringe and I have it here. Let's start with the recipe. For this, all you need is 1 cup milk, and this is 200 ml milk. Then I am going to add some water to this, around 100 ml water. And now I am going to add, I have taken 2 tablespoons sugar and 1 tablespoon coffee. So I am going to add this to the mixture. And I'm going to give it a nice blend. And that's about it. So now my coffee is ready. All I need is a beautiful glass right here. I'm going to add whipped cream to this. 1 spoon, not much. Okay. After the whipped cream, I'm going to add a biscuit to flavor it up a little and give it a nice crunch. And there you go. And now I'm going to add in the coffee. Smells delicious. There you go, coffee with a lot of froth, which I love. Okay, so now the coffee is ready. Now I'm going to garnish it with a wafer right here, and that's about it, and 1 straw. And my coffee cream cringe is ready. Quite easy, right? And if you want, you can add ice to this. This is already cold milk and cold water that I've used, and a little sprinkle right here on top. There you go, beautiful, colorful coffee cream cringe ready to have.